Good afternoon everyone. Today we look at another Sekonda watch. One of the ones actually my mum purchased and she's going to keep it as part of one of the watches in her collection. She's already got one of these. It's the blue one. We'd go for the mother of pearl dial edition of this watch today. So let's have a look at the box first. So initial look at this is we've got a simple sort of white outside cardboard cover, revealing a black and yellow sort of detailed yellow Sekonda simple lift off lid style box with a little sort of plastic window in the top there. The watch is housed on a nice black cushion as well, just to match the overall theme of the box. Put that to one side for a minute. So here we go, this is the Sekonda Catherine Midnight Star with a mother of pearl dial. It's the 40326 if you want to know the model number. So it's got a 27mm case diameter with a 9mm case thickness. Retails at just £40 and probably weighs, it doesn't weigh a lot, probably because of the size and how the strap feels and stuff like that. It probably weighs around about 25 grams. It's not a heavy watch and operates on I think it's a Japanese quartz movement, but don't quote me on that. I just know it's quartz. Usually Sekonda go for Japanese quartz. So, as I said before, the dial is a mother of pearl dial, as you can see from that little pearl finish on the back there, catching the light, as you can see there. Full Cuban zirconia interior bezel, if you like, and Cuban zirconia increments. And you've even got a date dial and luminous increments, well, sorry, not luminous increments, sorry, luminous centerpieces to those hands there. Full stainless steel detailing around the Cuban zirconia hands and date dial. Also, you've got a 50-metre walk resistance with this watch, so it's you probably shouldn't wear it in the sea. It's probably just splash proof. So come around to the casing. Full stainless steel casing with a polished finish, as you can see here. Consistent on the crown as well. Consistent going all the way around the outside. One thing I don't like about the watch is sort of how teeny the strap feels, but it's not for me. My mum obviously likes the blue edition of this one, so she wanted to get the pink one. Let's have a look at the crown movement. So the crown's a decent strength to the crown, nice amount of feedback, and a very firm click down. Usually Sekonda offers a good sort of value for money in terms of the individual mechanicals of the watch, rather than maybe the strap might be a bit tinny, but the actual workings of the watch should be fairly good. Let's have a look at that first position if I can. Nice, well-defined, smooth clicking date dial. So coming down to strap, we've got a sort of it's like an oyster style strap, 12mm in width. You can adjust this strap, but I couldn't tell you how. Coming down to the buckle, you've got a simple fold-over buckle here with safety catch, revealing a sort of a cheaper stainless steel interior component here. Lots of room for adjustment on the actual strap, as well as the bracelet itself. And around the back plate, got a little more information on the back about the watch. No sort of quick release options on the strap or anything like that. As you can see here, it's probably Japanese movement, as you can see on the back there. Simple mirror back plate. So there we go guys, that is the Sekonda Midnight Star with the mother of pearl dial.